shark family. Hello my little artists, how are you? Today we are going to draw and color the shark family step by step together. First, let's start by drawing the baby shark. Are you ready? Let's go!
Colors the fins, the tail, and more, creating a shark family we all adore.
We'll start by drawing circles for its eyes, and now the nose.
Markers and colors, oh what a home.
We need 2 big circles.
With colors so bright. Baby shark,
Yes, just like that.
markers and colors, oh what a home. Drawing the shapes, making them bright.
And now 2 little circles for its nose. Let's draw a circle for its face.
Baby shark, baby shark's ready to draw with markers and colors, oh what a home. Drawing the shapes, making them bright. Coloring them.
Next, we draw its mouth.
Mommy shark now. Mommy shark joins in the fun with colors and lines. Her work's never done. She colors the fins, the tail, and more, creating a shark family we all adore.
And its teeth. They're all zigzag. Here, let's draw a fin on its back. Then we complete its tummy with curved lines. Let's draw its arms.
Baby shark, baby shark,
And now, let's draw its tail.
oh what a home. Drawing the shapes, making them bright. Coloring them all with colors so bright. Mommy shark now. Mommy shark joins in the fun with colors and lines. Her work's
Well done! We are almost done with the baby shark.
a shark family we all adore.
Next, we are going to draw the mommy shark. You can draw mommy shark right here.
Her work's never done. She colors the fins, the tail, and more, creating a shark.
Let's start by drawing her eyes with 2 big circles. And then 2 little circles for her nose. Now we need a big circle for her face. That's right, a big circle. Here is her fin. It looks like a triangle. Let's draw mommy shark's mouth and teeth. They are so sharp. She's got teeth on the both sides, up and down. Here, let's draw her body and her arms. Here we go. Don't forget to draw her tail too. All the sharks have got tails.
Play with markers in hand, she colors all day. Drawing and coloring, so much to do. A family of sharks all in bright hues. Let's color together, you.
Let's not forget to draw her beautiful eyelashes.
One by one, with a splash of color, we're having fun.
Now it's time to draw the daddy shark. We start with circles for his eyes. 2 circles.
Baby shark, baby shark, steady to draw with markers and colors.
Then we draw a bigger circle for his face.
Colors so bright. Mommy shark,
Just like the mommy and the baby shark.
with colors and lines, her work's never done. She colors the fins, the tail, and more, creating a shark family we all adore.
2 little circles for his nose. And last one, let's draw his mouth.
Is here to play with markers in hand. She colors all day, drawing and coloring, so much to do.
Don't forget to draw his fin too.
Together, you and me, with pink and yellow and blue by the sea, drawing the sharks one by one, with a splash of color, we're having fun.
Daddy shark has got sharp teeth. They are so sharp, just like mommy shark. Up and down. After that, we add his hands and finish his body. We've got our baby shark, beautiful mommy shark, and now we are almost done with drawing the daddy shark. Finally, let's add his tail. Good job! But I think we are forgetting someone. Oh, that's right! Grandma Shark! Let's draw Grandma Shark. Just like the other sharks, we draw her eyes. So we need 2 beautiful circles. We also draw her beautiful eyelashes. Then, let's add a little pair of glasses. Don't forget to draw her nose too. And for her face, we need a big circle. Let's draw Grandma Shark's mouth. Don't forget to draw her fin too. And then her body with her hands and tail. Here we go. Amazing job. Grandpa Shark, where are you? That's right, we're going to draw you. First, let's draw 2 circles. Grandpa Shark has got eyebrows too.
Yellow, blue, and pink, let's have some fun. Yellow, yellow, so bright and light, like the sun shining.
He's got 2 little noses. For Grandpa Shark, let's add a big mustache.
Good cheer. Blue, blue, as deep as the sea. It's calm and peaceful, as calm as can be. The sky up above, so big and wide.
Then we draw a big circle for his face. And then we finish his body and tail.
Candy and treats to eat.
Just like the other sharks.
Gentle and kind, a lovely sight. Pink makes the world feel just right. Daddy Shark, Daddy Shark, Daddy Shark, so big and strong. He swims through the ocean all day long with sharp teeth and a tail that sways. He helps his family.
Here is his mouth and teeth.
A hero so true. He teaches his kids what to do.
Some wrinkles.
Shows them how to swim so fast and make sure they're safe always at last. Daddy Shark, always so kind, with a heart of gold and a clever mind. He leads the way.
His triangle fin.
Daddy Shark is the one we cheer. Mommy Shark, Mommy Shark,
Arms and tail.
kind. She takes care of her little ones all the time with soft fins and a loving smile. She makes sure they're safe and happy all the while. Mommy Shark, so brave and smart. She's always there with a loving heart. She teaches her kids how to swim.
We are almost done.
Sure they're happy and
Amazing! Now kids, let's take a black marker and color in the lines and make the dark spots black. What do you think?
Mommy Shark is the one we cheer. Baby Shark, Baby Shark, Baby Shark, so small and cute. Swimming around with fins so smooth. With a little tail that wiggles and shakes. Baby Shark is learning as he wakes. Baby Shark loves to play all day. With Mommy and Daddy, he's happy and gay. He swims through the sea with lots of fun, learning new things and having fun. Baby Shark, full of cheer, swimming and laughing, always near.
Now it's time for coloring.
Ready to grow.
Are you ready?
Shark, let's watch
We are going to start with Baby Shark. Let's use our yellow color for the Baby Shark.
We're gonna look
Yes, yellow.
with markers in hand. Let's start the fun. Step by step, we'll get things done. We'll learn the shapes, colors, and more. Every day's a new adventure to explore.
Our Baby Shark is yellow.
And make them right. He's here to show us the way. Step by step, we'll learn each day. Drawing and coloring is easy and fun. Let's start together and get it done. Don't forget to subscribe to Eli's channel.
Let's color its tongue pink and inside of its mouth red.
By step with you.
Good job!
Baby shark, baby shark, baby shark, full of and peaceful.
Now it's time to color our beautiful Mommy Shark. For Mommy Shark, we're going to use our pastel pink. She loves it. with red to color her mouth and lips. Here, let's draw the daddy shark. Let's use our blue color. Yes, blue, just like the sky. We've got our yellow baby shark, pink mommy shark, and blue daddy shark. Don't forget to color inside of her mouth red. Now let's move on to Grandma Shark. She's a sweet shark with glasses on her eyes. Let's start by coloring her body orange. Grandma Shark loves orange. Don't forget to color inside of her mouth red. Now, Grandpa Shark, with his white eyebrows and mustache. Let's color his body green. And, of course, we use red for his mouth. Kids, sharks live under the sea, so we need some bubbles. Let's draw some bubbles. Circle, circle. And in the final step, we add some shading. We are almost done. Ta-da! We did it! I'm so proud of you. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to watch more drawing and coloring videos. See you next time. Goodbye.